ChatGPT 5.4 versus Claude 4. Quick comparison. Now, in this video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about two great platforms, two AI tools, both insanely powerful, but if you pick the wrong one, you are wasting time. So in this video, I will break down ChatGPT 5.4 versus Claude 4 so you know exactly which one to use and when to use it for yourself. Now, by the end of this video, you will understand the real differences between ChatGPT 5.4 and Claude 4. All right. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to be based on actual use cases like writing, coding, automations, and even productivity. No type or no hype of confusion, just what is going to work best for you. So let's simplify everything first. ChatGPT 5.4, obviously designed for professional work, just got released recently. It got released a few weeks back. It's integrated on the Pro plan and the API plans, but not on the free plan. It's a codex that works incredibly, and it's more made to do work like automation, tools, execution, and real world tasks. Claude 4, on the other hand, again, got generated quite recently. It got released on the Opus 4 and the Sonnet 4 with great AI agents. It's one of the best coding models they've created, and it's made more on deep thinking, like reasoning, writing, and analyzing large information with extended thinking with tool use, new model capabilities. Claude Code is more available, and new API capabilities. All right. So as you can clearly see, they have their very own uses. You can use the Claude 4 over here, okay, where it's going to give you more models just as so. Obviously, to use the Opus, you will need to upgrade, but we can use it on the Sonnet. Then moving over to GPT, we can see if we go over to upgrade plan, in the Pro plan over here, you're going to be given access to the 5.4 work, okay? And you can go ahead and actually upgrade that model over here if you want to, but of course, we do not have that privilege, but we're still going to talk about it. Now, the big difference is that 5.4 is for work and Claude 4 is to think deeply. That's the biggest difference. One is like an operator, and the other is more like a researcher. Now, both are smart, but in their very own different ways. ChatGPT 5.4 is improved reasoning, and it has improved it a lot and even reduced factual errors compared to older versions. But Claude, on the other hand, still has an edge in deep thinking, long form reasoning, and complex analysis. It's especially strong when working with long documents thanks to its massive context window. So the simple takeaway is that Claude is there for deeper thinking, ChatGPT is there for faster execution. Now, this is where things actually will get interesting. And where's that? Coding and development. Now, Claude 4 is widely considered best for its clean code, its debugging, and understanding large coding bases. Now, ChatGPT 5.4 actually fights back hard with a lot of strong automations, a lot of strong codexes, and better end-to-end building, as you can clearly see over here with its different codecs and the different apps that it provides you just as so. Pretty incredible, pretty great, and it can work accordingly with those codexes for yourself with great automation. Claude, of course, on the other hand, when it comes to its coding, pretty more precise. So the real difference is that Claude will give you much more precise coding, whereas GPT is more in building full systems. Then moving on, we have the automation and real work. Now, this is someplace that I will say that ChatGPT 5.4 actually pulls through. Now, the reason I say that is because it can use tools, interact with other softwares, as you can clearly see, and it's even control computer-like tasks. It's designed for the real-world workflows, not just answering basic questions. Claude, on the other hand, focuses more on thinking across than actually doing it. It will think through pretty much, and it has less emphasis on direct automation. So obviously it's something that doesn't really blend well with other apps, but the factor that it actually does it itself by, insinuating different softwares to work for each other, that's where it shines. So, to give you a simpler output, ChatGPT is more of a worker. Claude is more of a thinker. So ChatGPT is more of a 9 to 5 guy. Claude is more a business owner, if that makes sense, of course. Then we move over to something that a lot of people work on about. There is the creativity. Now let's talk creativity in writing, because it's something that is really important. So when it comes to creativity, Claude is known for its more natural writing, better tone, and stronger storytelling. All right, because you can clearly see that Claude and the engine it uses has a lot of graduate level reasoning. All right, and obviously, with that reasoning, it has multilingual Q&A with high school math competition level work ethic. So obviously, the story writing it gives is quite flawless. It's quite workful and it helps a lot of students. GPT, on the other hand, is more versatile. Sometimes it will give you more creative ideas, and it's better for structured content like scripts, like thesis, articles, etc. So a simple breakdown between these two, Claude is more towards the human-like writing. It gives you more of that human element. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is more flexible and structured in its content. Then moving over, we have the context and memory. Now, Claude shines here because it can handle extremely long inputs for itself, like full books, large documents, and research papers. GPT 5.4 also has large context windows, even experimental ultra large models, but Claude is still known for consistency in long context tasks. If you're analyzing big data, Claude obviously wins in that case. So if I have talked about all of it, let's go ahead and talk about one last thing, which is when to use each of them. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT 5.4, if you want automation, AI workflows, content creation systems, and real world task execution, GPT 5.4 is for you. Claude 4 is to be used if you want deep writing, coding accuracy, long document analysis, and research heavy tasks. The best strategy is to use both with each other. Even developers say that some problems one solves instantly, the other struggles with, and vice versa. So the real truth is there is no best AI. There's only best AI for your task. So in now's world, smart users don't pick one, they combine tools. So now you know the main difference between Claude 4 and ChatGPT 5.4. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.